Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have here the X55 by 3DX. So this is really late, I know. I actually was missing half of this slider for a while. It was in the void. If you watched my live stream, I explained it, and then I actually found the missing half on my live stream. It was really weird. It just suddenly just the void just vomited it up, and it was like, okay, here you go, you can have it back. I'm done analyzing this this thing that you have, I guess. It was really weird. Anyway. I really like this slider. Here's the I got the splatter paint version. Yeah, I know this is long overdue. I know. I'm sorry. There's already an X56. But it's different. So it's not totally comparable. Because the X55 has stainless steel plates. The X56 is 3D printed. So yeah, here's the plates. We got the mouse skates. They are recessed, which is different from the 3DX X3, the first slider, which we're going to be comparing. But first, we're just going to be looking at this a little bit. It's got some nice moves. Which I, of course, can't do on camera. But yeah, you get this one. And I think we're hitting the extent of my moves. And you know, if you can do this one if you know it, if you know. Sometimes I can do it where it like does the swing, but most of the time it just launches. Dang it, I just want to do it once. I just want to do it once. Just want to do it once. It's not gonna happen. Last time. Kind of. And it launched. Anyway, so let's get some specs before I do some comparisons. Well, I guess I'll do some specs and then talk about the body and then do some comparisons. I need to turn this on first. I'm scatterbrained. I haven't done a review in a while. That's why I'm scatterbrained. Sorry about that. I've been living in the world of Pywell. Crimson Desert has my soul at the moment. So this is 46 millimeters long by 29 millimeters wide by 13 millimeters thick. Anyone else playing Crimson Desert? Let me know in the comments, because it's man, it's a good game. It's, oh my god, dog hair. Maple sheds so much. It's so good, such a good game. I can't do anything else. Can't think about anything else, only Crimson Desert. Tame all the animals, all the horses, all the dogs, all the cats, all the birds. 60.95 grams. It's a good weight. It's got some good heft, but it's not too hefty. It's not a garbage bag, if you remember those commercials. Aging myself here. Alright, so it is easy to move. is grippy, even though it's flat and kind of blocky. And you got your push points on the sides, makes it easy. These little like slopes. Even though you don't have them on the top and the bottom, not really, just kind of little slants. But that's okay, because you can still push from the top and the bottom. And from the actual top of the body. So the ergonomics are pretty great. And it provides the, let's see, the bottom one. Excellent grip for fancy play. It's not like gonna fly out very easily. This is one of the best ones for grip, for practicing like things like this. Like other ones, some other ones, let me see what I've got in my pocket. This one can be a little, woo. Oh, I can do it with that one. Okay. But this one can be a little a little slippery for doing that trick. But this is a good one to practice with. Okay, so comparing to previous models. So we got the X3. This is 3D printed, and it's also a gimmicky spinner, which is kind of neat. But let's see, it's a lot thicker. 3D printed plate. Still got the mouse gates, you know. Same 8 mouse gates. Same Phillips head screw. But this comes with weights. This comes with washers. This, I could never get this tuned to where I like it. It's always so like blocky. I don't know. It just feels like it moves in a square. Like it goes done, 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 done. It could never really like flow, I feel like. I could never really get it to flow. I don't know if anyone else had much more luck, but for me, no matter what combination of weights I used, couldn't really get it to work. So, huge improvement. And then, not super comparable, but we got another 3D printed one. The shape, I feel like they took inspiration from the shape because it's a lot better on the new 3D printed one than the previous one. So they're very similar in shape, and size. So that's good. Also, with the push points, we got the slopes on the side, a little bit on the top. However, the mouse gates, there's only 4. So they reduced the number of the mouse gates, but it still flies. Like, you've seen the review for this one. It's still, they kept, I think, the design of the body, or the size of the body, because it's good for the grip. So yeah, they are similar. But we can't really compare the plates, because stainless steel versus 3D printed. Yeah. Now these plates are pretty great. I mean, they're very durable. Like, I've been using these, like, look how many scratches and stuff, but it's still going strong. I probably need to replace at least that one soon. The mouse gate. I guess I have not cracked this thing open, so maybe I should do that. I didn't even show you how it comes. comes in this box. This little thingy, it's cute. Which on the back has this little magnetic, or little metal strip that you can put one side down. So you're better off using like a tin, you know, where you can put, you got more space to work with. They tried. So you pull that off, and what do you get? You get the magnet taker. Magnets. Mouse skates. You get both small and large magnets. Wait, you only get 2 small? Weird. And then you get a bunch of... I already had to use a screw because the one that it came with was like not staying. They come pre-dipped in Loctite. So we got washers. We got O-rings. And magnet holders. These little things. You can put different size magnets in them. And they will hold them in place. Alright, so let us, I guess I'll use this thing because it's only for one. Shoot, which was the side that I needed to, oh god. I think it was that one. One of them had the troublesome screw. Is that the, no. Is that the, no. No. Where's my screwdriver? Oh, I'm looking at it. I am obviously still scatterbrained. Why am I... What is wrong with me? Alright, so let's look at the inside. I really wish that they would make these Torx, because they're just so easy to strip. Alright, and now we put it... Oh my god, no, I don't want... Because it's just easier to slide it on like that. And then lift off. And here we are. I'll zoom in. And so we can see that it's already got in the center, get something not magnetic to point. Right here. Oh no, so you stay. These are the white magnet holders, which reduces the, so we got the small magnets in the center, and then they stay in place because of the white magnet holders are taking up the rest of the space. And then these small O-rings, those are mine. I bought them on Amazon. Okay, wait, let's not have the dog hair in the slider. So yeah, this is how I made it silent. I used the O-rings provided, and then my O-rings, and then I guess I'll put the link in the description if I remember. If I don't remember, leave a comment, and then I'll put the link in the description. All right. Close this back up, and I will hope it stays closed. Be careful closing it that you don't strip your screw. And remember, with Fancy Play, the Teflon side, the 6 magnet side, the 6 magnet side is always, always, always on top. And if you want a link for that paper, let me know in the comments. I'll try to remember to just leave the link anyway. So yeah, that is pretty much it, I guess. I really love this thing. I take it with me still. It's in my top 10. It's in my top 10. Yeah. What do you guys think about the X55? It's very popular. It was sold out for a while, and now there's like a second generation of them. With cool designs. I wanted one, but I already have this one. I was almost gonna buy it, but then the second half just popped out of the void. I don't know. Whatever, man. But yeah, so that's about it. A+, because, whoa, it does what it's supposed to do, and it does it well. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment, and let's talk about it. My phone doesn't leave notifications anymore, so if I'm late to responding to your comments, I am sorry. I have to open the app. And if I don't see it, it doesn't exist to me because I have ADHD. So I have to remember that I have a YouTube channel. Yeah. So, alright guys, hope you guys are doing fantastic, having a fantastic time, and I shall see you in the next video. Alright. Later!